cruising fast. We're on the roll. We're on the roll. Wheels are high. We're in control. Cruising with the soul stabs. Feel the spark. Electric rides lighting up the dark.
Okay, folks, one thing I have wanted to do with the Silverado EV since I got it was get rid of these 24-inch rubber band tires. There just isn't enough sidewall. If you were off-roading or what have you, you'd have a good chance of damaging your wheel. In some of the places we go, that could be possible. But I also didn't want to spend, you know, $5,000-$6,000 on a set of wheels and tires. So I did a little digging around, and I think I found an alternative I'm going to try today. So I found these brand new Hummer EV takeoffs wheels that actually have the TPMS system in them still. Brand new. Never really, just drove it off the lot and the folks changed the wheels and tires. So I actually ended up, I can't get in it right now, it's locked. I ended up buying 5 of them, a spare. So four wheels and a spare. And yeah, and I bought all 5 with the tire pressure sensors for $1,000. And then went right down to Discount Tire and ordered up the factory Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires for it. And they were $243 a piece, I think. And so today at 3 o'clock is conversion time. The Hummer EV wheels are 22-inch. And so with the factory Goodyear ATs on it, they're probably almost a perfect match for height. They so these wheels are 9 inches wide. The Hummers are 9.5 inches wide, so they'll have a little bit more contact patch. But the rotating mass, from all the research I've done, says that it's actually about 10-15 pounds lighter on each corner. So overall diameter is going to be within a half an inch. The new tires and wheels will be 10-15 pounds lighter per corner. And so from an efficiency standpoint, it really, what folks are saying, it's going to be a wash. So total out the door price is, say $2,400, I guess, for the entire thing. The tires were $1,400 with the Discount Tire certificate, which, if you haven't done that, it's actually kind of worth it in this case. I'm usually never the one to do that, but I have a dump trailer that I had tire issues with, and boy, Discount Tire, if you buy that tire certificate, they don't harass you. If you put 15,000 miles on these tires and decide you don't like them, take them back. They'll give you your money back 100%. So anyway, the lug pattern is the same on the Hummer wheels as the Silverado EV wheels, which, kind of an interesting fact, I think the older GM, and I want to say it's before 2013, 3/4 ton and 1 tons, had the same bolt pattern as the Silverado EV does today. But on the new GM heavy duties, it's just a few millimeters off now on the bolt pattern, so they're not a one-to-one replacement. So technically the Silverado EV wheels are from the wheel pattern anyway is from the heavy duty trucks from 15 years ago. So anyway, I have an appointment today at 3, and to get these babies mounted and put on, and I will let you know how that goes and post this video. Thanks. Okay, here we are at Discount Tire, getting the new tires put on. I think they look great. Fitment is great. Didn't seem to have any issues. Here's all the stalkers. Everything looks good. They do really good work here at Discount Tire. Pretty impressed with them. They'll just relearn the TPMS and we're done. Okay, well here we are, the day after having the new wheels put on the truck. And let's see, what does it look like? Look at that. Looks really good. I think it is a great upgrade, and you can generally find these wheels everywhere as folks buy their Hummers and they upgrade almost immediately. Yeah, I think it looks good. First impressions on driving is way smoother. Running on the low sidewall tires really made for a rough ride, a harsher ride. You could feel every cigarette butt you went over practically. And so this has smoothed that out tremendously. Pretty aggressive tread, should be much better. Much better for winter driving in the snow and what have you, but just so much more tire. You know, the other thing is that I was a little bit worried because these come off of a Hummer EV, and I was worried a little bit about branding. There's some clues in the wheel that show you know, that they're Hummer wheels. When you really get close to it, you can see the HEV. The center cap actually says Hummer, but gosh, I gotta tell you, oh yeah, and these here too, got some H's there. But you know, you step back a couple feet from these wheels, and you can't see that branding anymore. I'm not going to worry about it. But it's important when you get the wheels, the EVs, super heavy. You can't just put any wheel on these things. You need to make sure that they're a strong wheel. And of course, a wheel coming off the Hummer EV, I think that might be heavier than this truck by a little bit. So they're definitely strong enough. So anyway, great upgrade. If I think $2,400 total, and then I have a spare set of tires and wheels that I have in storage now. And so I think for $2,400, this is a great upgrade for your Silverado EV. Probably, I don't think it matters what trim level you have. So I think these will fit all of it. You may have to do some speedo adjusting, but that's easy enough to do electronically. So anymore. So anyway, that's it. And great upgrade so far. Love it. Thanks for watching Songstead Cruising YouTube channel. Like and subscribe.
Cruising fast, we're on the roll, we're on the roll. Wheels are high, we're in control. Cruising with the soul stabs, feel the spark. Electric rides lighting up the dark. Fast or slow, wheel. This is the drive, the real deal. Cruising with the